So the first plant we're going to look at here, this is a biennial plant, means it has a 2-year life cycle. And this is a plant called garlic mustard. It usually is active more in the spring. By early to midsummer, it's dying back. Garlic mustard has a garlic odor to the leaves when you crush them. In the first year of growth, all you see, this is the year 2 of garlic mustard's life cycle. The first year you just have leaves that will be in a low cluster around the base, just on the ground. And the second year the plant bolts, which is what we have here. Puts up a stalk on which the flowers and then the seed pods develop. These little string-like, look like little string beans. These are the seed pods of garlic mustard, and in these seed pods, the seeds are lined up end to end. And when these pods ripen, they will dry out, they split open, and the seeds will just scatter all around the plant. So one plant can produce hundreds of new potential plants going forward. After year 2, this plant will then die off. It's done with its life cycle, but all the seeds will continue. And if you have garlic mustard, if you're familiar with it, you know that you can get buildup of numbers very, very quickly.
Now batting the left fielder.
One of the good things about garlic mustard being a 2-year plant is that the roots are not very deep. This is about the extent of the taproot, which is, again, not like some of our major perennial species. And the first year especially, they're very easy to pull out. With garlic mustard, the control should be early. The control should happen before flowering, which means before seeds have a chance to ripen and mature. Another little tidbit about garlic mustard is that even if you pull plants out of the ground like this, where the seed pods have not matured and the seeds are not ripe, if you lay these plants down along the path or in a garden, the seeds can still ripen in many cases. So you still get a small percentage of seeds that will still complete their life cycle. So not really out of the woods. This is a good step, but all the more reason to do your control early before the plant puts out its reproductive structure.